6 steps to think differently about making money in the stock market. This is Aaron Sim. I'd like to share with you a new lesson for this YouTube. If you like it, subscribe it. This is coming from my 20 years of my experience, and I know that this is different from what you probably haven't seen before. Now, to make it easier to remember the 6 steps, I put in an acronym of the word market, M-A-R-K-E-T. That represents the 6 points I'm talking about. Now, what is M? M relates to mission. When I talk about mission, when you want to think differently about the making money in the stock market, is to think of what's your objective. Why do you want the money for? What is it used for? What's your goal? What's your objective? Now, most people, when I ask, why do you want to make money from the stock market? The typical answer is, I want to be financially free. I want to be able to pay my bills. I don't have to work. I replace my income. I get an additional source of income. And I so to be able to retire happily. So when you retire happily, what will you do? Yeah, I can call my friends and have a cup of coffee, read a book, enjoy myself. Okay, if you can do that, what else do you do? Well, what if you do it in one afternoon or do a few days, what else do you do? You can still do it before leaving your job, right? Then you got to think deeper into it. What is the deeper meaning of your motives, of your mission to making money from the stock market? So for example, for me, number one is I want to be debt-free. Debt-free means I want to pay off my debts. I don't want to, before I leave this world, I don't want to owe people's money. I feel there's a karma effect of actually owing people's money before I leave this world. Whether it's a credit card debts, whether it's other bills, okay? I want to set it off, okay, before I leave this world. That's very important to me. That's my belief, yeah? That's number one. Number two, me and my wife, we believe in not killing animals. We want to have peace and harmonious with the world, including animals. And that's why we have a plant-based diet. For myself, it's about 26 years already, and I want to preserve that. And because of this plant-based diet, me and my wife, we set up a restaurant, a cafe, called The Loving Heart, because we provide plant-based diet. That is our mission, to help people, to educate people to live a healthier living with plant-based diet. And it's getting more and more popular around the world. It's not only being healthy, but because to be able to feel good about yourself. And that is plant-based diet. And at the same time, the deeper meaning is to not killing animals. Okay, so that is our mission. And with more money coming in, we hope to be able to do more with our Loving Heart expansion and help more people. That's our goal, okay, long term. However, live a very simple life beyond paying all the bills. This is our long-term vision, and we have started doing it. Is that cool? So that's M. M for mission. To think different, think about your mission. That's number one. What do you want? Number two is A, is about acknowledge. What do you acknowledge about? Acknowledge that in the stock market, there are many players, many professional players that's been around for a long time to be able to create wealth on their own. They trade for their clients, for their customers. A lot of funds around, professional traders. So if you are brand new, be careful that you have to play smart to learn the process to do these things. Okay? Be your own fund manager, but be able to learn how to do this thing properly. Think about a long-term process, not just hit and run and make money go away. Okay, long-term process and learn the steps. That's why you have to acknowledge that this is a long-term game and do this thing properly. So that's about A. The third element to think differently is called R. R is the results. Now, when I talk about results, I'm not talking about making about 5%, 10%, 20%, 100%, 1,000. That's not what I'm talking about. Because those results comes in from the work you do and do it correctly. And this is the point that people miss out, is that if you want to achieve certain results, you have to ask, what is the process you are doing to achieve those results? What I mean by process? So for example, the process of the stock market involves knowing when to get in and when to get out. And once that process, you also have to execute the trade properly. Okay, not just buying and selling, making sure you got the right price, find out the right company, track your results, not just doing one trade for over a series of trades. So that's the results I'm talking about. By executing the trade correctly is very, very important. Because if you execute the trade correctly and you track the results, you learn from that process. And that's why the power of results that I'm talking about. Then you can figure out from the execution of the trade, you can decide eventually who are you better suited to be. Maybe you're more suitable to become a short-term trader, maybe get in, get out, make money over a few days, or maybe a long-term trader, maybe get in and get out in the next couple of weeks, months, up to you. Or some people said, I love the intraday trading or the day trading process. Okay, that's not for me, but maybe that's for you. So whatever method that you came about from the result of your testing and tracking and the process, that's where it comes from. Okay, so the third element is about results. Okay, what's the fourth element? The fourth element is K. K is keep your gains. Keep your gains. Make all the money in the world, but make sure that you don't put all the money continuing in the market. Take it out, some portion of it, take it out, and actually keep it a place that is safe, like bank deposit, fixed deposits, spread it out. Even though you may earn zero interest, maybe you earn a point something interest, it is okay because those money are taken out and safe. Yeah? Put it one side. You don't have to leverage everything. No point to leverage everything because money put aside to be able to use it shows that you're really making money. Okay, so there's some people that I've seen that that they make money and they want to make more money because why? They say they don't want to pay taxes. They don't want to pay taxes, and then actually the stock price drop, and then they actually lost money. Okay, keep your gain when you make it, put it aside, and preserve that because you don't have to risk everything. You don't have to leverage everything in the market. Is that cool? So that's already fourth thing. So M is for mission. A is for acknowledge. K is R is for results. K is to keep the money. And what is the fifth thing? Fifth thing is about E. E is enjoy your life. Have a balance, not just to make money. I always say this, that making money is holistic in manner. You have to take care of your health, relationship with your family. Okay, be present. Very, very important. So enjoy your life, and what the money brings to you, that you can actually enjoy and help more people that way. Okay, help more people. Exactly what for me, like for example, we help more people to educate them about plant-based diet. I will help more people to educate them to become a better investor for themselves, so that they can actually learn and save 10 to 20 years of the learning curve for myself and my team and my mentors, Mary McWilliams, in this arena. So we help people accordingly. Okay, that's what I do. So enjoy your life while making money. Okay, you don't have to retire until you make money. There's a saying that says, okay, I want to leave a legacy. I say, why don't you leave your legacy right now? Leave your legacy, leave it right now, not leave your legacy. Is that cool? Okay, so that is the fifth item. It's called enjoy, E. The final item is called T. T is trust. Trust in who? Trust in yourself. Trust in yourself that you will get it. Now, I'm not saying that trust in yourself, get it, meaning that actually you just simply do it. Test it out. Do some paper trading and see that how this thing works for you. Now, trust also means that verify the process. Don't be crazy that you just trust yourself and do this work, but verify that process. Now, say for example, some people who wants to actually start with the market by testing that works by doing paper trading. Could be 90 days, could be longer. And as a matter of fact, paper trading can be tested out from different strategy on an ongoing basis, although you can be trading live on your own, okay, with your live money, and progressively grow your account and increase your account size. But up to a certain level, you don't have to bet everything in the market. Okay. Now, the other thing about trusting yourself is this: when you start out with your process, very important is to take it through over a period of time. Meaning that focus on that process, do it again and again. Don't get distracted with shiny object. Like, okay, you learn one method and then find it works for you, continue to do it. If it didn't work, okay, find out what it didn't work. Let it go through that process, because you're also learning a lot of things from that process itself. Okay, and I'm going to continue more, but make sure that if you like this process, make sure that you subscribe to the channel below. But so let me continue. What mean by trusting through the process again? When you see shiny object, it's very easy to get distracted. So when you learn a new trading method, give it like 6 months to test it out, 1 year, test it out. Be persistent doing it on one thing at a time. Don't get distracted with learning too many strategies at the same time. Now, my mentor told me that when she got started, she was learning 13 different strategies. 13 different strategies. And she was picking just one of them that she find that is for her and continue doing it. And you know what? That's where about. Or maybe not the 13 at all, okay? But start with one. Start with one, then find out this for you and continue doing it. And if you find that this is become a boring process, you make money, it's a good thing. Don't change it. There are many people who started that process and find that yes, it is working for them. And you know what happened? They start to change it. No need, okay? Or do some other things, crazy things. Continue the process, document the process that works, what didn't work, what works you do more, what didn't work, don't do it. Cool? Okay? So trust in the process, do this again and again so that you can master the skills. You can't just do it overnight and become good. Mastery takes time. Is that cool? Okay, so let me just recap the 6 things about thinking differently about market. The market, M-A-R-K-E-T. M stand for your mission, what you exactly want to do about it. What's the money for? A, acknowledge the fact that the market is for long-term players, meaning that to learn this thing and do it long-term. It is not a casino, it is a serious place to do business, so you must recognize that. A, okay. R is results. Looking at the result, concentrating on the execution, the process of the trade is critical. That's what we call R. And K is to keep your money. Keep your money as you make it so that you can allow it to grow somewhere else, risk-free, okay, or very, very low risk. Don't leverage everything in the market. That's called K. And I'll share with you E. E is enjoy your life. Make your life holistic, be present, take care of your family, make sure that actually they are taking care of, take care of your health. Very important is this, be in the moment, okay? Not just think about what happened in the past, think about the future too much, okay? You got to plan the future, think of what you can do right now, focus on this. Like today's session, I focus on you, I be present, I want to deliver great value for you. Is that cool? And finally, T, trust yourself. Trust yourself that these skills are learnable. It is not born. It is it's not talent. It is actually the work that are done that do it again and again. And one of the fastest way to trust yourself to learn a skill is actually to get a mentor. Okay? To get a mentor so that they actually can accelerate that process and find the right mentor for you. And I hope you enjoyed this series of today's session of 6 steps to think differently about making money from the stock market. If you really like it, give me a thumbs up, give me your comment right below, and also subscribe to this channel so I can share with you more. Is that cool? I love to be able to help you in your journey to become more successful in the stock market, on creating wealth in the stock market. Okay, go for it.